Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I picked up another tube of American Silver Eagles. This helps me towards my 2019 strategic goals in picking up a tube a month of government-issued coins. And so this month it's a tube of American Silver Eagles. Last month I was able to pick up some Canadian Maple Leafs, a tube of those, so able to keep this going for now. And so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I actually bought these off a guy on Craigslist, and I trusted him because he's the same guy. If you go back and you look at my 40 ouncer video from a couple months ago, he's the same guy that I picked up those American Silver Eagles from. So, trustworthy. I was able to get them for a really good price. I got them for $2.25 per coin above spot. It's not the greatest deal I ever got. In fact, I believe when I got the 40 ounces off them, those were only $2 each above spot, and so really a great deal. But if you look around, it's pretty hard to find them at 2 1/4. I think if you look hard enough, once in a while you can get them for $1.99. And lately there's been a few different bullion places that are selling them for $2.60 over spot. But I thought $2.25 was fair. He was selling them because he was in some financial hardships, and I may have been able to drive him down, a little bit, but come on, guys, only selling a silver because he's having some financial issues. So I thought it was a fair deal, and I didn't want to, take him down too far. I just wanted to, get a good deal and let him get some money so that he could help himself out with whatever his issues are. So these are 2012s, and I kind of like buying the older dates, because they're not made anymore. And I know that they can tend to be cheaper on the online retailers, but this is a whole tube of 2012s. And pretty nice. Let's go ahead and throw one under the coin cam. Take a quick look at it. Love the American Silver Eagle design. So look at that, 2012, basically flawless. Let's flip it over. Try not to touch it too much, although I think it's okay to touch. No reason to get my fingerprints all over it. Look at that. This is such a beautiful design. Who can't appreciate that design? Right back over to the lady one more time. Look at that. Wow, pretty nice. So that's really about it. I just wanted to show you that I'm continuing on with my strategies, and one of them is to get the a tube of government issued, and this time it was a tube of 2012s for $2.25 above spot, and I was pretty happy with that because silver has bounced around quite a bit, and it's gotten up fairly high comparatively. So I was happy to pick that up at the price I got it for. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, got a couple videos popping up on the screen for you. Why don't you go ahead and take a look at those. And I got some great stuff out there. I think you'll really enjoy them. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.